Hello, it's Angela Zajac Brook from Angela Brook Art, if you don't know who I am. And I'm making this video when I teach journaling on Facebook Live, and I often show how I use, or I say that I use leftover paint. So I had a chance, I was doing this little painting, little sunset, and I used the Matisse acrylics. I didn't add, usually when I use Matisse, I add some gel medium to it to make it spread. So I have to let this completely dry and then I'll go back over it because there was a spot that stayed wet. So when I'm painting a real big painting and I'm going to be using the colors over again, I'll use a palette that has a lock top and keeps it moist. But since I wasn't going to do that, I have my little piece of wax paper palette. So this is paint that it's really not enough to use on anything else. So you can do one of two things. You can take a card. This is what I often do. And I have a page that's gessoed. And this is from the video the day before where there's gesso. And I put some teal color paint on there. And I made some marks with some bubble wrap. I'll show you this page. So what I'm going to do is actually take this paper and you can spray it. Just mist it, and that just kind of makes the paint a little easier to spread. So you can take your card, any hotel card, and pick some up like that. And now I'm just going to make a pattern. There is no rhyme or reason, just have fun, don't overthink it. Don't worry about how you're gonna cover, finish the page or where you're gonna go next with it. That'll all come out. Okay, there. So now I have this hot pink and I saved that on purpose. I think I want the hot pink to go in the middle. So that was actually this lovely Holbein luminescent violet. So it's actually violet that's on there. And then I'm going to spread that there. So there is how I cover a page. See, I want to overwork it, but I'm just going to leave it here. So now you have, I might spread that out a little bit. Put some of that fun color that's left on the card. I will kind of work that through. So this is how I get a lot of my art journal pages start. And then I will be showing you, this has a lot of paint on it yet. I will be showing you how to actually finish it. I'm doing exactly what I told you not to do. Okay, now I think it's spread out. I like it, and I still have some left on there, but now I've made mud, so I'll leave it on there. So anytime you have leftover paint, unless if you're using it for the rest of your project, it is a great way to just start a journal page, and then you can do more layers over that. And these are fun because you have to figure out a way to finish it that makes it look nice. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm going to do, the next video I'm going to do is teaching about color theory, because I feel like that's the basics of it, whether you're painting on canvas, whether you're painting in a journal, whether you're painting on ceramics. The color theory is so important. So I'm going to be doing some videos on that. Thanks for stopping by.